What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. It's your boy Mojo, aka Sugar Daddy, and today I would like to introduce you to our brand new eco-friendly deodorizer made entirely from Mosso bamboo charcoal. You don't need no foams, no sprays, no aerosols. All you gotta do is get the charcoal freshener box, open it, take these beauties out, and then just insert them inside your shoes and leave it for 12 hours and let that magic happen. And another question that you might have, is it only for shoes? Not at all. It's a multi-purpose deodorizer. You can use it in your gym bag, you can use it inside your riding helmet, you can use it for any other things like your car. If it's stinky too much, you can use it anywhere. But wait, is it reusable? Of course it's reusable. All you have to do is to recharge them, place them under the direct sunlight for 1 hour once a month. One pouch will easily last a year, and once you are done using it, dispose your freshener. Simply cut the bag and spread the charcoal in your garden or plant. Charcoal benefits the soil by helping it to retain its nutrients. Now you know everything about our new product, charcoal freshener. You know we like to keep it fresh, keep it natural, and now eco-friendly as well. Let's go!